All right, guys, we made it to Dallas, North Carolina. It took us 9.5 hours. We hit a ton of traffic going through Washington on the Beltway. We hit traffic getting here all through the Charlotte area. So we made it 9.5 hours. GPS said 7.5. We got here in 9. But this is what we're up against. There's my truck and trailer. That it's too steep there to get the trailer up there. I'll tear up the yard. So I'm gonna pull in the driveway. I'm gonna make a sharp left-hand turn, come all the way down here, turn the trailer around, and try and back my 8-foot trailer into this 9-foot gate. The only hindrance we have is the gate latches, which stick out another 5 inches. And then once I'm in, Liam's taking down the lights that were across. We have to go all the way over here, and I'm short-handed. There's only 3 of us. Is it on the ground? Oh, I see it. Yep. We're gonna get back the truck and trailer all the way up here to this gate. Oh, and it's only 100 degrees today. It's about 3:45 on Monday. So we're gonna get the trailer back to here, open the door, and then the bar is going right up there. So we've got about 50 feet, 60 feet to get it over up onto the deck there. So let's see what happens. He's got a bunch of attack dogs. Hopefully they don't jump the fence. Or maybe they're wolves, who knows. But anyway, all right, well, let's see what happens. See you guys in the next video. Don't ask me how. I don't know how the hell I did it. Emily's got a video. I had less than 1 inch clearance on that. I don't know how I did it. And now I actually got into that gate as well. Well, we went from walking it all the way down there, all the way up to there. And I don't know how I got this thing in here. Took us a good at least 20 minutes. I had to go so slow, but I got it in. I had less than 1 inch on both sides. Oh God, I hope getting out's easier. But
this won't go down enough.
Okay, hang on. All right, got to fix something else. Tiki out. Well, guys, it's 7 o'clock. We left Stevensville, Kent Island this morning at 6. It took us 9.5 hours to get here, and it's now exactly 7 o'clock in the evening. And let me turn this camera around and show you what we got done. All right, there we go. It was a bitch getting this bar up here, but we got the bar up. We got the roof 90% built. Footrest is on. So tomorrow's supposed to be exactly 100 degrees out here. Hopefully there's some clouds because there's none here now. And we'll see how far we can go in the heat. We got to finish doing the roof. I got some electrical to do. We got to thatch the roof, and then it's pretty much it. Just put the refrigerator in and it'll be all wrapped up. So hopefully we can get that done tomorrow. So we'll see. All right, see you guys in the next video from Dallas, North Carolina. Well, guys, we are done. It is, I don't even know what day it is. Tuesday. It is Tuesday. So you just saw the last video. That was from last night. We finished up right about 7 o'clock at night. We did 9.5 hours drive, and we worked another 3.5, almost 4 hours trying to get this set up because it's they said it was going to be 100 degrees by 10 o'clock. It is now 11:30, and we were done. Liam and I flew through this roof. And we were actually pretty much done before the sun came over the trees. So, but it is like super hot right now. We're done. Liam's got my pickup truck. Better not hit the fence, Liam. And him and Emily are bringing the truck back. We're gonna hook up the trailer. But this Tiki bar is done. I think we had this entire setup done in 6 hours. 7 hours, 7.5 hours. So this is one of the ones you saw in the shop. This is Dallas, North Carolina. It's a 6x8 bar with an 8x10 Endure Reed Viva 3.0 colored new thatched roof. And it is, I'm telling you, it's hot right now. I am so glad we stuck it out and put an additional 3.5 hours in yesterday. The real feel today is supposed to be 110 here. All right, so there it is. There are bar stools, but we have them in the shade right now. So there's the Tiki bar. I am glad this road trip is almost done. And we picked the hottest week of the year to do this. It was 97 and 98 when we were in Maryland, and then it's 100s and above here in the Carolinas. So, hey, tell him I'll get it. Just tell him to get it close. I'll actually get it to where it needs to be.